Here's how to convert MP4 to audio. So if you have some video files, you can convert them to audio using an app I created called ConvertSave. You can go to convertsave.com or just check it out. There's a link in the description, or I'll put a pinned comment down there. But basically we have these MP4 video files, and I can just click and drag them in. We tried to make it super simple, and then go to select output, and you'll find video output and you'll find audio output. So like if I wanted to just maybe convert some MP4 to MP3, I could select MP3, hit convert, and it saves those MP3s right next to where that video was. So it's extracting the audio from the video and then saving it right there. So this is an offline desktop app for Windows and Mac. So no uploading your files, no downloading from weird sketchy websites or anything. And I went to my brother, and he's a software developer, and that's basically what I wanted to do. I was like, I'm sick of always going to weird different websites to try to do these conversions, to only be able to do a couple of them. And so can we create something that's offline and just works on your desktop, drag and drop, super simple. And so we did that, and that was ConvertSave version 1. And now, we're at version 1.1 now, but we may even have more features by the time that you see this video, because we just added this advanced features section here where you can actually input your own custom commands for that conversion if you know the tool and how to input commands. But we also have an options builder if you don't know any of those commands, to actually build them out for you using a lot more user-friendly things. Like you can see audio bitrate here, and you can actually select what that is. You can come down here and check mark things like there's audio filters, or we have different volume options. It actually depends on what your conversion is. So if you're going video to video, you're going to have certain options in here. If you're going image to image, you're going to have certain options here. And so that changes the conversion. It allows you to do things like cropping, resizing, adding filters to images, and effects, and all kinds of different things. So we're really excited about the options builder here. See, once you've built out your options, you can see the generated command that it's putting in here, and you can actually apply it with this button to the conversion. And so this will basically replace the default conversion. And so now you're converting with whatever this is, and now you have your own custom conversion with these file types. And so I'm going to clear that out and then hit done, because that'll save for that conversion type if you want it to. Or you can just convert once and then clear it out and have it go back to defaults if you want to. But that's ConvertSave, and that's how you can convert MP4 to audio, lots of different audio file types. Hopefully you guys find it useful and a valuable tool. Go check it out at convertsave.com or link in the description. I appreciate your guys' support, and I'll see you in the next one.